वोटर लिस्ट क्या सरकार बनाती है?
मैंने नहीं बोला।
नहीं, आपने बोला क्या, और आपने सही बोला कि सरकार वोटर लिस्ट नहीं बनाती है। मगर पूरे देश में वोटर लिस्ट पर सवाल उठ रहे हैं। हर स्टेट में, हर ऑपोजिशन के स्टेट में और महाराष्ट्र में ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट वोटर लिस्ट पे सवाल उठे हैं। तो पूरा ऑपोजिशन मिलकर सिर्फ ये बोलने दीजिए, पूरा ऑपोजिशन सिर्फ मिलकर ये कह रहा है कि वोटर लिस्ट पे यहां पे एक डिस्कशन हो जाए।
ओके।
आप बनाते नहीं हो, इसको हम एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, आप डिस्कशन तो कीजिए। स्पीकर सर, आपने सही बात बोली कि वोटर लिस्ट क्या सरकार बनाती है?
मैंने नहीं बोला।
नहीं, आपने बोला क्या, और आपने सही बोला कि सरकार वोटर लिस्ट नहीं बनाती है। मगर पूरे देश में वोटर लिस्ट पर सवाल उठ रहे हैं। हर स्टेट में, हर ऑपोजिशन के स्टेट में और महाराष्ट्र में ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट वोटर लिस्ट पे सवाल उठे हैं। तो पूरा ऑपोजिशन मिलकर सिर्फ ये बोलने दीजिए, पूरा ऑपोजिशन सिर्फ मिलकर ये कह रहा है कि वोटर लिस्ट पे यहां पे एक डिस्कशन हो जाए।
ओके।
आप बनाते नहीं हो, इसको हम एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, आप डिस्कशन तो कीजिए।
The matter of false voter list all over India, which has been pointed out by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Sir, in a recent speech, Mamata Banerjee showed the papers where it was seen that the same epic number had voters both in Bengal and Haryana. And in Bengal it was in the district of Murshidabad. Again she showed voter cards which had same epic numbers in Burdwan and in Haryana. So this shows that all is not well in the state of Denmark. There are some serious flaws. This has been pointed out earlier with regard to Maharashtra voter list, which had an inflated voter list. This was pointed out in the list of Haryana. Now they are preparing to jump on Bengal, which is and Assam also, which is an election next year. Sir, I demand, with your permission, sir, that the total voter list should be thoroughly revised, and the commission should answer to the country why such mistakes have occurred in the voter list. They have informed our party that they will let us know within 3 months their approach. We shall meet on behalf of the party, our people will meet the Chief Election Commissioner newly appointed, who was earlier Secretary of the Cooperation Ministry under Amit Shah. We hope that he replies properly. Our agitation on this point will continue.
Okay.
And in West Bengal,
वोटर लिस्ट सरकार बनाती है क्या?
सर,
वोटर लिस्ट सरकार बनाती है क्या?
ये आपको समझाता हूँ। सर, एक सेकेंड। आप जानते हैं इलेक्शन कमीशन इज अंडर द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ लॉ एंड पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स. It is under election commission has to answer to parliament.
Sanjay Haribao Jadhav.
Sir, and you've taken my name also, sir. I'd like to explain. Sir, the truth is that members of parliament. Sir, that is not enough, sir. Sir, the and met the minister representing that SSA funds have to be released to Tamil Nadu. And the minister from Tamil Nadu also was there in the delegation. And we had clearly said that we have issues with the NEP. We cannot accept it in full because 3-language policy is not acceptable to Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
And, sir, the truth is, sir, the truth is, the CM of Tamil Nadu has written to the minister and the prime minister saying that we have issues with the NEP, it cannot be accepted in total and the funds have to be released, and he's requested the funds to be released. So Tamil Nadu or the Tamil MPs from Tamil Nadu have never accepted.
Okay.
Honorable Speaker, sir, my esteemed colleague, one of the dearest sister, senior member of this House, Honorable Kani Mojiji, has raised 2 points. On one point, she raised, I mentioned a word which I should not use regarding on the members of my Tamil Nadu, on the government of Tamil Nadu and people of Tamil Nadu. Let us not mix. I am not. Let me first withdraw my word. If it hurts my word to anybody, I withdraw my words. I don't have an issue on that. But regarding the other part of the issues he mentioned, Kanimuji, please sit. Please sit. Please sit. At least I know you listen my point of view, and I listen your point of view. I always do that. This is an important issue, Speaker sir. When they came to see me on the several occasions, not one, several occasions, rightly, Kanimoji took lead and invite the Education Minister of Tamil Nadu with a good spirit. Let something should come out. And I was also open on that discussion. At one point of time, they have agreed, and we have agreed certain things. Don't shout, please. You have courage. You should have courage to listen the truth. They went back. My information, they mentioned all these things to Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. He also given consent to go ahead. Later on, some internal issue came up. They only told me, informally, and they went back. This is unfortunate. Today, again, I mentioned that thing. Today is the 10th March. Let they come out with the MOU signing program. They are entitled. We don't have any issue with non-BJP states. As I said, Karnataka, Himachal, Punjab, all these states are getting PM3. They are also getting PM Poshan scheme as they have been allocated. They should come to the constitutionality, they should come to the policies, what they have agreed, they should respect that.
Okay.